what are the lessons that you learned in
2020, yeah.
2000?
See, there was a lot more unlearning which was happening more than learning,
Okay.
because it was a pause button for the whole world.
Okay.
And what I thought was, whatever mistakes I have done earlier in my films or in my career or in personal life, I thought to rectify those mistakes and make 2021 a better year for me and my family and my fans and everyone around us.
Bhumi is your first film that is releasing on the OTT platform, right? So how are you
Yeah.
feeling about it?
I think it's a good way to promote a movie, definitely. During
Uh,
these times, I'm saying. Otherwise, any actor would definitely opt for going on theater release. As you know, a finished product, and we have finished the movie before 10 months. So a finished products, it's not it's not good to keep it inside the house. Anything which leaks out, like a story or a scene. So it is better to release a finished product whichever way possible. So I think it is necessary that we have to worry about the box office for any other film. But during these situations, I think you cannot have a choice in this, except that pray and be confident that your movie will be viewed by every people who has OTT or who has a television which is accompanied to the OTT platform.
Also, yours and Lakshman's partnership. Can you tell us something about it? He doesn't seem to have any interest in working with other actors.
I have asked him the same question, and his answer was the same, to my surprise, because he said, "So whatever movie which I have in mind, it's only you come in my mind, for the
Okay.
protagonist." And I've told him, advised him also, go do outside movies, go do bigger hero movies, go do bigger budget movies, and expand, your workmanship. And he doesn't agree to it. I don't know why. But we are not doing a film on a compulsion at all. So it is not like a compulsion that we have to work together. No, it is the script that demands our companionship. That's what I think always.
So, on what basis do you select your movies?
There's a lot of criteria when deciding a movie. First of all, the script is the hero. That's what I think. I don't see that every frame I have to be there in the movie, and there has to be a hero worship in the movie. The criteria for me to select the script is based on the engagement of the audience, the involvement of the audience. I always think that there is no good script or bad script. There is one kind of film which engages the audience.
So, what is about Bhumi that you liked instantly when Lakshman came to you with this?
This movie, particularly, it is very hard to write because we are dealing with very important facts which has been happening, which is the pharma issue, which has been happening for a very long time. Now that it has attained its peak, so we took up this issue. It is a very, very important topic in the whole of India, the whole of the world, I would say, because agriculture is the source of anything, I would say. Without the farmers, we are definitely not there. It may be a cliche when I say it, but that is the truth. To put a fact into a fiction and to make it applicable to the audience to watch it and get entertained by it is a very, very difficult task. Only such scripts come rarely.
Talking about fact and fiction, there's also, I saw in the trailer, there's a scene where you doing agriculture in an alien planet, in a different planet. How much is backed by the study or the research, and how much is it imagination?
Mostly it is researched. Mostly those are facts, definitely. And whatever the levels of the components which we talk about in the movie are have been researched properly. There are certain things which the people who know, they know, but the general audience, they don't know. So we have given lovely inputs to the general audience, by watching this film, they will come to know the exact truth. May it be any angle, a political angle or the scientific angle, they will come to know the truth when they watch the movie.
Talking about agriculture, I mean, no other film industry in India, except for Tamil film industry, talks about agriculture so much. Why do you think that is?
Because we are directly, affected by it.
Mm.
May it be the law or may it be, the natural calamities. We are very much directly affected because we are in that region in the map where the major thing happens, which affects the agricultural part of a country, and as it affects, we have to talk about it, we have to deal with it, and it's become a day-to-day kind of a message.
So what can the audience expect from Boom?
Everything. See, be it commercial, we have dance, we have songs, we have fights, be it commercial, be it facts, we have real facts, dealing with it, dealing with whatever topic we have taken. Be it entertainment, there is comedy and, the friendship. Be it emotion, there is epitome of emotion in the movie, everybody coming together is the most important emotion, I would say. So you can look forward to a wholesome entertainer. It's U certificate movie, so everybody at home can watch it, and it's made for them.